Hey, kiddos. With the rainstorm, the power went out at Cassie's, so you'll need to play inside today while the grown-ups get some work done.
But what about playing outside? We were going to race.
Sorry, kiddos. We don't want you to play out there. The storm is intense. Listen to it out there.
I'll be in the living room, and Tremble will be in the garage, so we're here if you need us. Hey, be careful, you two.
Quick, while they're busy playing, let's get to work.
Boo! I got you. Good one, Roar. Let me try. La-dee-da-da-da-da-da, la-dee-da-da-da. Ping! Gotcha. Nice ping. My turn.
Whoa! Godzilla, no! Not my guitar! Oh, she was so innocent.
I'm sorry, Dad. I didn't mean to scare you or hurt Godzilla. Yeah, we're sorry, Mr. McGruff. But wait, who is Godzilla?
My melodious angel of music.
Godzilla is what my dad named his guitar.
Whew, she's okay. Just needs a little polish. Whew. Kiddos, I know you didn't mean to scare me or knock Godzilla down, but maybe you should find a different game to play inside, okay?
So, what do we do now? Let's play Pillow Catch. Sounds perfect. I'm open. I'm open. Now pass it to me. Right here. Right here. Go long, Ping. No.
Okay, there we go. No more feathers. Now, let's find something else to do. Why don't you try and watch a movie instead?
You're right, Roar. This movie is amazing. Here comes my favorite part.
Welcome to Jurassic.
No! The power went out at the best part. Now we don't even have a TV. Are you thinking what I'm thinking?
I'm sorry you couldn't finish your movie with the power going out, kids.
We know today has been tough for all of us.
Mom, Mr. McGruff, that's okay. We found the rainbow in our rainstorm.
Well, that's... Wait, what?
She means we made the best of it. We made up our own TV. Next up on Channel 7 News. I think I'd like to watch a movie instead. You're a lizard, Larry. Uh-oh, here comes a commercial. Stegosaurus waffles, yum!
Bravo, kids. We are so proud of you. I wish I could clap louder.
I'd clap as loud as thunder if I could.
Hey, I just realized I haven't heard any thunder in a while.
Let me go check outside. Kids, it stopped raining. You want to play outside?
No, thanks. Turns out this rainy day was a lot of fun. And not so rainy after all.
We got some work done, and the kids had fun. That's pretty amazing.
It really was a not-so-rainy day indeed.
I'm almost done with everything.
Wow, really?
No.
Me neither.
Welcome to the Ferrets Club.